Hi, and welcome to another Logitech product unboxing. Today we're unboxing the Logitech wireless illuminated keyboard K800. That is nice. All right, first I'm going to demonstrate its wireless capability. See? No wires. It connects to your computer with a Logitech unifying receiver. Here's a close-up so you can get a good look. It's a tiny wireless receiver that you can plug into your USB port and just leave there. No need to unplug it. And you can add other devices like a mouse or a second keyboard, all with the one receiver. Now probably the best feature of this keyboard is the laser-etched backlit keys, so you can see and type in the dark. Lights please. Look at that. Ooh, and it dims when you're not using it, so it saves the battery, so that's pretty cool. And all you have to do is touch a key, or you can wave your hand over it. The last thing I want to point out is the design. Sweeping curves, elegant contours, and a super sleek profile. The keys are also contoured for optimal comfort. They're almost like little pillows for your fingers. Well, that's the Logitech wireless illuminated keyboard K800. Thanks for joining.